ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಎಂದು ಅಮರ, ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಸಾಧನೆ.
Dear incredible women of Lavella School, respected father, and my dear colleagues and my dear students. Every year on March 8th, the world celebrates International Women's Day. This day is day to say thank you for all women. It's a day to remind the hard work, the love and the strength of women everywhere. Women always worked hard at home, at work and everywhere. But many times their work goes unnoticed. Today is the day we notice.
Not very special. Special is already sitting here, so all of them are special. So today on this occasion, I would like to wish all our women staff Happy Women's Day. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಯಾವ ಏನು half of the world are women. The remaining half are the children. So that is a very famous and this is true. Half of the world are women and the remaining half are their children. It is very much true. So therefore, women is the one who gives birth and she is part of the creator and so she creates. So therefore, that is one thing that women gives to the world. Secondly, ಬರಗೂರು ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ವಿಮೆನ್ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೀ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಮೆನನ್ನು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ? ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ? ಬರೀ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಬರೀ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮುಗಿಲ ಥರದ ಕನಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಗಿಲ ಥರದ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಶತಮಾನಗಳಿಂದ ಅದು ನನಸಾಗಲಾಗಿರದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬರಗೂರು
staff, especially for the Cyril Raj and all my dear staff for wishing us on this special day and for giving us this surprise. Just as I was sitting, a thought went in my mind. If this secret was maintained by the ladies teachers, I wouldn't think that it would have been a secret and it would have been a surprise. But since it is gents staff who are good at maintaining secrets and surprises, so a round of applause to all our gents staff for this gift and for their very presence. Everywhere there, it's like there are good things everywhere, but there are very few people who recognize it. So today, our father and all our gen staff who have seen that good thing in our staff, in our ladies staff, and in us, and they have recognized us and they have wished applause to all our gen staff. Okay, students, it is not only the teachers who are celebrating the Women's Day, it's even the mothers in your house. In your house you have got aunties, mothers, then grandmothers. All of them are celebrating the Women's Day. So let us spend a minute, just close your eyes and just remember them. All of you, just remember your mother and all the ladies that are in your family. Just tell a thank you in your mind. Just say a word of thank you for your mothers, closing your eyes. Yes, this is not only today we should recognize, though today it is after the Women's Day, it's a third day. Though it is third day, still we are celebrating Women's Day. Women's Day is not only on March 8th, every day is Women's Day. So this is a proof that every day is a Women's Day and we need to celebrate it by respecting them.